Welcome back to my channel, All Kinds of Astrology and Foreign Travel. Friends, today I'll show you a connection, a very interesting connection. If you see this connection in any particular horoscope, you can say that this particular native will develop after marriage. There will be a rapid growth financially after marriage. Okay, so I think you have seen some of the you may be observed till date some of the person that he or she had nothing before marriage, but just after marriage he or she developed a lot financially. He got very much success. Before marriage he or she was nowhere near. Okay, how can you see this kind of connection? So before starting this video, I would like to request all my viewers to subscribe to my channel. Without wasting any more time, let's start this. I'll tell that this horoscope belongs to which person later. See this connection. Forget all about all the houses, all the planets. Here I am discussing only one topic. Whenever in any chart you see, here house is not important. Okay? You see Jupiter and Venus is sitting and making a 1-7 connection. They are looking at each other. From Venus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jupiter is sitting, or from Jupiter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Venus is sitting. In a male horoscope or female horoscope, it's the same. Okay. If you see Jupiter and Venus is aspecting each other from 1-7 connection, they are making a 1-7 connection. That means in any of the houses, okay, not in particular these or these houses. If Jupiter was here and Venus is here also, that is fine. Okay, they should aspect each other. You can easily predict and you can say that this particular person, whether he or she is male or female, will develop after marriage, and the development will be rapid. The financial development would be very good. Now coming to this horoscope. This is the horoscope of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, this is the horoscope of Shah Rukh Khan. So you all know Shah Rukh Khan started his career after marriage. Okay, prior marriage, nobody knew Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, nobody knew SRK. Okay, but after he got married, now we all know who Shah Rukh Khan is. Okay, see the connection. It's the Leo ascendant. Shah Rukh Khan has the ascendant of Leo. Jupiter is sitting here. Okay, sorry, Venus is sitting here. Jupiter is sitting here. They are aspecting each other. So after marriage, Shah Rukh Khan got the success, but not in one day. Okay, it will take his own time. Okay, but after marriage, the growth will start. Okay, where will it end? That depends on the strength of your horoscope. But definitely, there will be a very financial gain after marriage. Okay, I have seen many horoscopes like this connection. Okay, so that's it, friends. I'll see you in my next videos. I'm making a series of videos. Thank you for staying with me. Be patient. You'll learn many more things. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. Take care.